All right, in this video here, I'm just going to look at my Fitbit Charge 6 and just look at the difference between restarting the Fitbit Charge 6 versus resetting the Fitbit Charge 6. Let's take a look at restarting the Fitbit Charge 6 here. I have here the USB charger that it comes with. I'm just going to take this out real quick. And you'll see there's a circular kind of button just right there. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, there's a circular button. Okay, and that's what we need to restart it. And basically, I'm just going to plug it in like that. And then I'm going to plug in the Fitbit Charge 6 here, like that. And then now this is going to go. Now, I'm going to hold the button down and hold it for 1 second 3 times, and then this will restart here. So 1, 2, 3. And then once that happens, it's going to kind of go, and then you're going to see there's going to be like a black screen, and now it's restarting. And there you go, the Fitbit logo pops up. No data is lost in this process, nothing's going on, it's just restarting. So that's all it's doing. The second way to restart the Fitbit Charge 6 is to go into the settings. So I'm just going to scroll down here. And from here, you'll see settings right there. Push settings, and then you're going to scroll up and you're going to go all the way down till you see restart device. Push that. Now it says restart device. This will restart your device. No data will be lost. I'm just going to scroll up here, and then you're going to see restart and then cancel. And then you can restart it. Again, there will be a black screen. No data is lost when you restart it. And then eventually you're going to see the Fitbit logo, and then it has basically restarted here. And there you go, it has restarted. Okay, this time now I'm going to reset the Fitbit Charge 6. That means all the data is going to be wiped clean. I'm going to scroll down here to settings again, just like that. Push settings, going to scroll up. And then before, you see we went to restart device. I'm just going to go down one here. You're going to see device info. I'm going to push that. Then it's going to say system info, regulatory info there. And then it's going to say right here, clear user data. Now I'm going to clear the user data. I'm going to push that, clear data. This clears your data and disconnects the device from your phone, and any unsynced data will be lost. So as soon as that happens, it says right here, hold for 3 seconds or cancel. And now I'm just going to hold it for 3 seconds, push that. Now there's going to be a black screen for a while. Finally, the Fitbit logo appears, and now this has been completely reset, and all user data is cleared. All right, and now you can see that this has been fully reset here. There's no more user data on it, and it's prompting to download the Fitbit mobile app there and go through those steps there. All right, so this is a reset here where all the user data is cleared out versus before with the restart where no data is lost and the Fitbit Charge 6 restarts.